Welcome to today's English speaking practice lesson. And in this video, I want to help you speak English more naturally, more clearly, and with more confidence. Because speaking English is not just about knowing words, it is about using those words smoothly in real life. So relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me as we go. Because the best way to improve your speaking is to hear the phrase, understand the meaning, and say it out loud many times. And today, we will practice useful English for everyday life. We will practice simple sentence patterns, common questions, natural answers, and short conversations that you can use at home, at school, at work, in a shop, with friends, and in daily life. So let us begin with one important idea. Do not try to speak perfect English from the beginning. Speak clear English first. Speak simple English first, and build from there. Because confidence comes from practice, not from fear. So say this with me. I can speak English. I am learning English, and I am getting better every day. Now let us practice greetings, because greetings are the first step in any conversation. Say, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? Very good. Now say, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, nice to meet you, how have you been, what is new, and how is everything? Now let us practice short answers, because short answers help you respond quickly. Say, yes, I do, no, I do not, yes, I can, no, I cannot, yes, I am, no, I am not, yes, I have, no, I have not. And now let us make those into full speaking sentences. I do speak a little English. I can understand simple sentences. I am learning new words every day. I have been practicing for a while. I am not afraid to make mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning. Now let us practice introducing yourself. Say, my name is, I am from, I live in, I work as, I study at, I like, and I enjoy. For example, my name is Daniel. I am from Jamaica. I live in Kingston. I work as a designer. I study English every day. I like music, and I enjoy talking with people. Now say your own sentence. My name is, I am from, I live in, I work as, I study at, I like, and I enjoy. Very good. Now let us practice asking questions, because questions help you keep a conversation going. Say, where are you from? What do you do? Do you like music? Do you speak English? How long have you been learning English? What do you do in your free time? And where do you live? Now practice the answers. I am from, I work as, I like music, yes, I speak a little English, I have been learning English for 2 years, in my free time, I watch videos and practice speaking, I live in. Now let us move to daily life English, because everyday English is what you use most. Say, I am hungry, I am thirsty, I am tired, I am busy, I am late, I am ready, I am in a hurry, I need some help, I do not understand, and can you say that again? These are very important phrases because they help you in real situations. Now repeat them with natural rhythm. I am hungry, I am thirsty, I am tired, I am busy, I am late, I am ready, I am in a hurry, I need some help, I do not understand. Can you say that again? Now let us practice polite English, because polite English sounds friendly and respectful. Say, please, thank you, you are welcome, excuse me, sorry, no problem, that's okay, may I help you? Could you please repeat that? And would you mind helping me? Now practice asking for help. Excuse me, could you help me please? Can you show me the way? Can you speak more slowly? Can you repeat that please? I'm sorry, I did not hear you. Now let us practice shopping English, because this is very useful. Say, how much is this? Do you have this in another size? Do you have a cheaper one? I'm just looking. I would like this one. Can I pay by card? Where is the cashier? And can I get a receipt? Now make it into a short conversation. Hello, how much is this? It is $10. Do you have a smaller size? Yes, we do. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Now let us practice food English. Say, I would like a coffee. I would like some water. I would like to order. What do you recommend? This tastes good. The food is delicious. I am full. And can I have the bill, please? Now a short restaurant conversation. Hello, welcome. Can I take your order? Yes, I would like chicken and rice. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I would like some water. Like water. Is everything okay? Yes, the food is delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Of course. Now let us practice travel English, because travel needs clear speaking. Say, where is the bus stop? Where is the airport? How do I get to the hotel? How long does it take? Is it far from here? I need a taxi. I am looking for, and which way is it? Now say, excuse me, how do I get to the train station? Go straight, turn left, turn right. It is next to the bank. It is across from the store. It is near the park. Thank you. Now let us practice work English, because speaking well at work is important. Say, I have finished the task. I need more time. I have a question. Can we talk later? I will send the email today. I am available now. I am not available right now. And let us meet tomorrow. Now say, I have completed the report. I need a little more time. I have a question about the project. I will send the message this afternoon, and let us discuss it tomorrow. Now let us practice speaking about your day, because this is one of the best ways to improve fluency. Say, I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I had breakfast. I went to work. I studied English. I listened to music. I cooked dinner. And I went to bed. Now speak a little more. This morning I woke up early and had breakfast. Then I went to work and stayed busy. Later I practiced English and listened to music. In the evening I cooked dinner and relaxed at home. Now let us practice feelings, because feelings are important in conversation. Say, I am happy. I am sad. I am excited. I am worried. I am nervous. I am confused. I am proud. And I am grateful. Now make full sentences. I am happy because I am learning English. I am excited about my future. I am nervous when I speak in public. I am grateful for this opportunity, and I am proud of my progress. Now let us practice opinion phrases, because they help you sound natural. Say, I think, I believe, in my opinion, I feel that, I agree, I disagree, that is true, and that makes sense. Now say, I think English is very useful. In my opinion, practice is more important than perfection. I believe anyone can learn to speak English. I agree with that idea, and that makes sense to me. Now let us practice family English. Say, I have a brother. I have a sister. I live with my family. My mother is kind. My father works hard. My family supports me, and we spend time together. Now speak with me. My family is important to me. We talk every day. We help each other, and we enjoy spending time together. Now let us practice describing things. Say, it is big. It is small. It is new. It is old. It is expensive. It is cheap. It is beautiful. It is interesting. It is noisy. And it is quiet. Now use these in sentences. This room is big and quiet. That shirt is beautiful. This book is interesting. This phone is expensive, and that chair is old. Now let us practice comparisons. Say bigger, smaller, faster, slower, better, worse, easier, harder, more useful, and more important. Now use them. This book is easier than that book. Speaking is more important than memorizing alone. This car is faster, and this lesson is more useful for beginners. Now let us practice common conversation starters. Say, how was your day? What are you doing? How do you feel? What kind of music do you like? What do you usually do on weekends? And what is your favorite food? Now answer simply. My day was good. I am studying now. I feel fine. I like all kinds of music. On weekends, I rest and practice English. My favorite food is. Now let us practice telling time. Say, it is 1 o'clock. It is 2:30. It is 2:45. This morning, this afternoon, this evening, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Now use them. I woke up this morning. I am studying this afternoon. I will rest this evening. I learned new words yesterday. I am speaking today, and I will practice tomorrow. Now let us practice natural English linking, because fluent English sounds connected, not broken. So listen and repeat. I want to learn English. I need more practice. I am going to speak more. I would like to improve. I have been listening every day, and I will keep going. Now say these as one smooth line. I want to learn English. I need more practice. I am going to speak more. I would like to improve. I have been listening every day, and I will keep going. Excellent. Now let us practice shadowing, which means you listen and repeat immediately. So repeat after me. Today, I am learning to speak English. Speaking English every day helps me improve. Simple words can make powerful sentences. Confidence grows when I practice, and practice makes progress. Now say it again. Today, I am learning to speak English. Speaking English every day helps me improve. Simple words can make powerful sentences. Confidence grows when I practice, and practice makes progress. Very good. Now let us practice a mini dialogue. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am practicing English. That's great. I want to improve my speaking. You are doing well, keep going. Thank you, I will keep practicing. Now another mini dialogue. Excuse me, do you speak English? Yes, a little. Can you help me? Of course. Thank you. No problem. Now let us practice useful phrases for real life. Say, I am not sure. Let me think. One moment, please. I forgot. I remember now. I get it. I see. And that is clear. These phrases make you sound more natural and confident. Now let us practice long sentences, because long sentences help you build fluency. I am learning English because I want to communicate with more people. I practice every day so that I can speak more clearly and confidently. I listen to simple conversations so that I can understand real English better. And I repeat useful phrases until they become natural. Now say it again. I am learning English because I want to communicate with more people. I practice every day so that I can speak more clearly and confidently. I listen to simple conversations so that I can understand real English better. And I repeat useful phrases until they become natural. Now let us practice encouragement, because learning a language takes time. So remember this. You do not need to speak fast. You need to speak clearly. You do not need to know every word. You need to use the words you already know. You do not need to be perfect. You need to keep improving. Every sentence you speak is progress. Every word you learn is a step forward. Every mistake teaches you something new. Now say these with me. I am improving. I am learning. I am growing. I am becoming better. I am not giving up. Now let us finish with a full speaking practice. Hello, my name is, I am from, I live in, I am learning English because it is useful for my future, I practice speaking every day, I enjoy simple conversations, I like learning new words, I want to speak with confidence, and I will keep going until I improve. Great work! You have done very well today. Remember to speak out loud, remember to repeat often, remember to stay patient, and remember that fluency comes step by step. So keep practicing, keep listening, keep repeating, and keep speaking English every day. Because the more you speak, the better you become, and the better you become, the more confident you will feel. So I will see you in the next lesson, and until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and keep improving your English.